the iconic Peking duck pancake kit from Luv-a-Duck. I mean, we've loved it for years and years and years, but I want to share with you how I pancake. So all you have to do, pop open the kit. It's all in there for you. You've got the classic Chinese pancakes, crack them open, just pop them in the microwave for 1 minute. Then you've got the iconic Peking duck breast. Now you can cook this in the oven if you want, 190 degrees, 15 minutes, or you can just do what I'm gonna do and just pierce it with a fork, bang, bang, and just cook it in the microwave for 3 minutes. I love to make a bit of a platter when I'm serving the Peking duck pancakes at home. Then everyone helps themselves and dives in. So we've got some cucumber that we've cut into battens. We'll get them onto our platter. Some spring onions. You've got the beautiful hoisin sauce that comes in the kit. Get that into our little dish. And then of course, the superstar of the Peking duck show, the Peking duck breast. And then we just want to thinly slice these. All right, so to fold one of these beautiful morsels, get your pancake, pop that onto your plate. I like to get a couple of bits of the beautiful Peking duck, then some of our hoisin sauce, one of our cucumber battens on top, and a couple of our spring onion. And then you just fold in from the bottom, fold over, and then fold over the other way. And then you have got the most beautiful Peking duck pancake that you just cannot even let get back on the platter because you want to get stuck straight into it.